What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to get the cinematic camera in Valheim. So this is the freefly command, and you're going to need the console for this. So to be able to use the console, I have a video for this. I'll leave it in the description. But basically you need a launch option that is dash console enabled, and then you have to launch Valheim after you have this enabled. So I have it set here, and then I've launched Valheim. I'm in my own server or my own private world here. And now I can use my commands or my console. So back in here, all I have to do is press F5 to open up my console, and you're gonna want to type in devcommands. So I already have this toggled on, so it's gonna toggle it off for me, but you'll have it toggled off by default. So if you type it, you'll have it toggled on now. And what this is it allows you to use admin commands in your world, such as this freefly command. So freefly, if you type it in now, you'll see toggling freefly camera, and then if you press escape and you get out of the console, you'll see now you leave your character behind. You get this cinematic camera basically, so you're free to fly wherever. You can press shift to speed up a little bit, although it's not really working for me. Maybe that's not the case, but yeah, you see you can get some real cinematic shots. It's not loading new areas of the map too much, it's got things mostly loaded because you're not flying too fast. And yeah, you can take print screenshots now. So for example, if I do print screen on my keyboard and then do like a snip of myself on top of the arbalest, you see now I have a screenshot captured, and if I click on it, there's the one I just captured. So I can save this, or I can copy this. And yeah, that is how you can get cinematic shots, the cinematic camera in Valheim, guys. That's pretty much it. And if you want to toggle this off, there are a few things, by the way. If you click, you'll see you get focused on one thing in particular. If you press WAS now, like I'm completely focused on that. And then if I unclick, I am not focused on that. So let me focus on my character real quick. You'll see. It's also frozen in time at the moment. Or no, it's not. Sorry, because the ballista is moving around, so that's not correct. But yeah, so if I unclick, there's that. If you right click, you'll see the camera doesn't stop moving. It moves forever until you right click again. And now you can use WASD and space to move it up and down. And yeah, that is pretty much it. This is the cinematic camera, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.